Alright guys, it's been a while since I've done any motovlogging, and that's because back in the day when we used to use an old Hero 2, you would just drill a hole in the case and you could run a microphone to it. And I used to use a microphone off of a old computer that was used for Skype calling, and it worked really well. But now, since I've gone to this Hero 8, there's no audio jack. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to set this up so I can do a little bit of motovlogging again. First thing you're going to need is the media mod kit. And what it is, it's an adapter that snaps around the GoPro that allows you to hook up a microphone. So we're going to set that up. Hero 8. Now what I've had to do is order a microphone, and this one seems to get pretty good attention. I don't know about reviews, but if you look online you'll see some of the motovloggers are using this, so I went ahead and picked it up. And we'll get this unboxed, show you what's in that, and we'll get it set up on the GoPro. But I want to show you guys something before I do that. When I first started riding with a camera on my helmet, this was the first camera I started with. And I think this was something you could pick up at Costco for like $80, and it came inside this case. And it's pretty old school. It takes a couple AAAs, and I wish it had an SD card in it because I was hoping to find some footage, but it's empty. But I'll show you some footage right here. So it looks like we got a little clip. Looks like we got a dead cat. Cool. Dead cat. So we got an adapter. Looks like we got an extension. This must be the microphone. Oh, here's the, oh, so it comes with two. This must be a replacement. Cool. Alrighty. So let's get this run through the helmet, figure out how we're going to hook this up. Alright, so I guess you got to take the door off this. Now I have not read the instructions on this. This must just slide in. Oops, turn it on. Okay, so that's pretty easy. And this should... Okay, cool. This is my little GoPro bag to keep all my stuff in. I've already got an arm set up for the helmet. So all right, so now we're going to figure out how we want to get this out, this microphone mounted in here. Get and bag off. All right, pretty much got it all in there. So one guy just used a piece of duct tape and Big Rock Moto, I think the guy went by. No affiliation, but he's another moto vlogger. Big Rock Auto. Big Moto, I don't know. Sorry for butchering that. Maybe I'll put a link to his channel so I can redeem myself. Where's my duct tape? Found my duct tape. All this fancy stuff we're doing, we're gonna use duct tape. Gorilla tape, actually. He kind of just put it over the dead cat. Just like that. So I just got it taped in there. Let's I guess we'll go take it for a ride and see how it sounds and looks, huh? Okay, so my first attempt at using this didn't work, and you have to use this little adapter which changes it from that style of plug for a smartphone, which changes it to a stereo. So make sure you use this adapter, and we're gonna go out and give it another try. Well, after doing a little troubleshooting, I realized I probably shouldn't have read the instructions. So I'm pretty sure I'm getting audio now. So we'll do a quick blast around the neighborhood and see how the audio sounds. This is my 5th time trying this thing out, and I'm really hoping that it's working. Oh, good grief. So we're gonna go jam down the highway. I tested it in the garage and it was working. So, is it gonna work for me right now? I'll wait for this Expedition, which I think is my neighbor. Alright, so this is test number 5. And I hope you guys can hear me. I hope the audio's good, and I hope we don't have any wind noise in there. And remember, if you buy a Purple Panda mic at a media mod for your GoPro Hero 8, you have to use that little adapter for it to work, which I should have read the instructions, but I didn't. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to catch you in some more moto vlogs. Not that I'm going to be doing a lot of moto vlogging per se. At least when I'm riding in my videos, I'll be able to you know, do a little commentary, a little talking. So like always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Catch you later. So what I had to do to get all the wind noise to go away was to take the microphone and put it directly in front of my mouth right here. The second microphone is the one from my Senna, and I use a little bit of tape to kind of make a windbreak around my chin, which I don't know if that's really doing any help. But I had to make sure my vent was closed on the inside. If I had the vent on the outside, it works just fine. So that's the final placement of the microphone, and it works good.